$700 for a watch is already a serious conversation, right? And not an impulse buy like with the previous model. So let's look at 5 criteria today by which you can understand whether you actually even need the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Is this not, or is it just some pretty box that you'll overpay for and forget about half the features in a month? So the Ultra 2 is a flagship, meaning it's the top of the line model designed for extreme conditions: diving, mountains, long workouts. And let's also break it down point by point. The ecosystem, the actual load you put on the watch, the money, upgrading from an older model, and what alternatives are actually out there if the Ultra 2 turns out not to be the right option for you after all. And first, there are absolutely no options here. The Ultra 2 only works with Android and fully unlocks its potential with Samsung phones, just like all watches from this brand. If you have an iPhone, then these watches simply won't work for you. They don't work with the iPhone. There you go. The features will simply be unavailable. Most of the features. Most likely you'll only be able to check the time on them. Second, and this is probably the most important thing, ask yourself, do you dive, run, or go into the mountains, or maybe ride a bike with power sensors? Because the whole point of overpaying for the Ultra 2 is exactly that. It has certification for diving, the Mare's Dive app, specific metrics for trail running, and the ability to connect power and cadence sensors directly to the watch. If your most extreme activity is taking the stairs instead of the elevator, well, you're paying for features you'll never use. That's fine if you just like the product itself, but there's no need to kid yourself either. So let's move on to the numbers. Samsung Galaxy Ultra 2, $700. The regular Watch 9 is $380. The difference is almost double. There you go. And for this difference, you get a brighter screen, a bigger battery with fast charging, more serious protection, and a couple of extra health sensors. The question is a bit different. How much do you actually need these specific things every day, rather than, say, once a year on vacation? If brightness in the sun and dive certification aren't part of your life, then in fact, you're paying for potential, not for real utility for you personally. Next is a separate question. Is it worth upgrading from the first Watch Ultra? And the answer here is short, probably not. Here's why. The battery has increased by 35%. The screen has become brighter, 5,000 nits, I think. The processor has become faster, but if your first generation watch is working fine and you're satisfied with everything in principle, then the difference in everyday use isn't dramatic enough to chase after the new model every year. An upgrade only makes real sense if you are hitting the limits of the old model's battery life, or if the screen brightness in the sun has become a problem for you. And lastly, what should you look at if the Ultra 2 is not your option at all? If you need satellite connectivity for real autonomous hikes without network coverage, then that's more of a case for the Apple Watch Ultra 3. But then you'll have to be on an iPhone. If you don't need diving, trail running, or extreme protection, get the regular Watch 9. It will cover 90% of tasks and cost almost half as much. The Ultra 2 is not a universal best choice. It's a specific tool for specific tasks. In short speaking, if you are on Android, then get the Ultra 2. If you are really into diving, trail running, or cycling at a serious level, and you care about maximum screen brightness every day, then get the Ultra 2. In all other cases, either the regular watch, the Watch 9, which will save you money without losing any daily functionality in principle, because they have the same processor, the same health features there. Or take a look at Apple if satellite connectivity is essential for you. There. And if this review helped you decide, then give it a like. It really helps us. And write in the comments which watch you would choose. And see you in the next video.